So if your Amazon Echo Dot Max is not showing up on your phone's Bluetooth list or just won't enter Bluetooth pairing mode, let's go ahead and see some simple steps to fix the problem and connect it to your smartphone. Alright, so first, I'm sure you've already done that, but just to make sure, just say, Alexa, turn on Bluetooth.
Searching.
It will put your Echo Max into Bluetooth pairing mode and the light ring will start flashing blue. Now, if the Max doesn't appear in your phone's Bluetooth list, just for a quick refresh, turn Bluetooth off, wait for a couple of seconds, and back on again. Now, if the name still doesn't appear, whatever phone or whatever device you're using, just go ahead and restart your phone once. If it's happening for some minor software glitch, this will solve it. And at the same time, you can perform a cold reboot on your Echo Max. Unplug the power cable, better if from both ends. Wait for 1 minute and then just plug it back in. So once it finished starting up, try pairing once again. If it's still not showing up, open the Alexa app, select the devices section and go to your Echo Dot Max. In this device settings, just tap on connect a device to manually trigger Bluetooth pairing. The device name should definitely show up in here. Now, what if the name is detecting but it just won't connect? Now, this can happen if your Max is already paired with other devices around you. So go to the same section, just go ahead and check out the already paired devices list and just forget them from there. And hopefully the Bluetooth issue will now be solved on your Max. And you can use it as a Bluetooth speaker with your favorite device. Happy listening!